Aisha, my metric number 277133. I will start this presentation with the background of the company history, and main activity for the company that we choose. The company that we choose is Top Glove. This company is the large manufacturer of natural rubber glove in the world and also export their product to 195 countries. Best manufactured latex and nitrile gloves are in Malaysia for almost all healthcare suppliers and manufacturers. The chairman of this company is Lim Wee Chai. Top Glove, which previously only starting 3 production lines, now has about 500. The company managed to produce 48 billion gloves in 1 year and has been a contributor to quarter of the global market. The company has managed to increase more than half of its sales in European countries and North America. They are also confident that the demand for glove will continue to increase in other regions. Next, we move to the history. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian corporate company that manufactures rubber gloves for local and overseas markets. This company was founded by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai around 1991. Prior to the establishment of this company, he has gained experience working as a consumer product marketing sales manager at subsidiary of OYL Industries Berhad. He started the business by setting up a small factory in Klang, Selangor. Initially, the plant operated with only 3 production lines. The glove products produced only catered to the domestic market. After several years in the industry, the company has grown rapidly to outperform the market as the largest producer of rubber gloves. The last one from me, we move to the main activity. Top Glove Corporation Berhad conduct its main business in the manufacture of rubber gloves. In addition, the group is also involved in other activities such as real estate investment, machinery business, production and sales of liquid rubber, and providing equipment service and investment. The product of Top Glove rubber glove consists of 13 main product lines. The product lines is produced of high quality and usually used for surgical, dental, chemical, cleaning and other purposes.
Good day everyone, my name is Ching Ha Ling, metric number 279131, and I will be in charge of industry and competitor analysis. The rubber glove industry is an industry to make significant contribution to the Malaysia's GDP, expected up to 60 billion ringgit in 2021. The demand has sparked due to many health crises such as the COVID-19. Moreover, rubber gloves are utilized in many sectors, they including but not limited to healthcare, food processing, automotive, construction, and chemical. The world glove market value is expected to reach $3.714 billion in 2023. Currently, the Malaysian rubber glove industry is in the second stage of expansion. Cutting-edge products, artificial intelligence, and big data are used to increase the automation. Due to this, 45,000 of gloves could be produced in only 1 hour. In terms of the fortified forces analysis, there is a low rate of new entrants where new players will be difficult to achieve economies of scale in this industry. Furthermore, investing in research and development could be a burden to the new entrants too. There is also a low rate of substitutes. This is because rubber glove is essential for many industries. The demand for the rubber gloves will always exist. Furthermore, Top Glove and other glove manufacturers also producing various types of gloves to fit the different scenarios. Hence, the rate of substitute is low. However, the demand for rubber gloves increased has also increased the bargaining power of buyers. Therefore, if the rubber glove manufacturer couldn't provide a desirable price, the buyer will switch to other manufacturers. At the same time, the bargaining power of supplier is high too. Manufacturer relies on natural rubber supplies. Although the suppliers are less, but natural rubber is not limited to glove production only. Therefore, they also have the power to bargain on the desirable amount. Although it has low threat of new entrants, the competition within existing rivalry is great. Atalega and Kosan are the key competitors to the top glove. Next is the PESO analysis. The political environment in Malaysia is stable. Secondly, from the economic aspect, the rubber industry will gain support from the Malaysian government. This will benefit to lower the production costs. However, the high inflation rate and the weak exchange rate will badly impact the top glove decisions. In terms of social, top glove should understand all types of customers rather than just focusing on the trade within business. The conventional and digital media platforms should be utilized to promote themselves well. The technological environment is important. Innovation technology should always be the primary concern of the top glove. Top glove should also take the opportunities of 5G to improve the manufacturing process. As a world-leading company, top glove should always concern on the defense of medical standards and all the relevant law between countries. Lastly, top glove should also control the population and exercise the corporate social responsibility to leave a good impression towards the society. Recycling and renewable technology is suitable to use. The third tool used to describe the industry is the SWOT analysis. Top Glove has this strength, standing as the world's largest glove manufacturer and solely capture 26% of world market share, capable to produce 100 billion of gloves per annum and exporting them to 185 countries. Wide product range is one of their strengths too. On the other hand, the weakness is obvious too. Top Glove is unable to adjust the pricing strategy due to the rapid change environment. In addition, they are also not paying much attention on the customer service, which will make the customers switch to competitors. The COVID-19 may badly impact our life, but it is an opportunity to the Top Glove where the demand of gloves has greatly increased. The digitalization trend will improve the automation process and productivity. The continuous support from government is great for the Top Glove to grow too. The trade should also be considered. The relying on labor-intensive production will negatively impact the company, such as the restriction at international border during this pandemic. Besides that, global issues such as the trade war between China and the United States have to be observed cautiously. Last but not least, there are also a scarcity of skilled labor in the market. The first competitor of Top Glove is Atalega Holdings Berhad. It is the world's largest natural glove manufacturer that has the market capitalization of 30.6 billion ringgit. It is able to produce 34 billion gloves annually and exporting them to over 70 countries. They are very competitive in the area of research and development and innovation. For instance, it is the first who achieved the output of 45,000 gloves per hour. In addition, it has developed 2.7 gram natural glove, which makes it extremely light. Currently, they are focusing on the next generation integrated glove manufacturing complex (NGC) to enable all of the production lines to achieve the benchmark of 45,000 gloves per hour. It has also developed several advanced products such as fine metal detectable glove (MTG) to safeguard against the food contamination. Looks into future, Atalega will implement growth strategy in Malaysia by acquiring 250 acres of land in Kedah, which will boost the production capacity up to 143 billion gloves per annum. Furthermore, Atalega aims to be the number one in glove manufacturing sector. The second competitor is the Kosan Rubber Industry Berhad. It has the market capitalization of 4.96 billion ringgit and capable to produce 32 billion of gloves annually. It has also a strong presence in the global, where Kosan is exporting to more than 130 countries. Instead of glove products, Kosan has also its competitive offering in the technical rubber products. Besides that, its glove product has specifically designed for high moderate and low risk of use to fit a international bulk. Currently, Corsair is implementing the R&D strategy with 5 areas concerns, which are the innovation, project management, intellectual property management, talent management, and regulatory compliance. Its R&D strategy has different processes for the existing and new products. To improve the existing product, we will go through the discovery, development, and then will only be delivered to the customers. While for the new innovation, we will start with the market requirement process, design verification, validation, and undergo production control. Lastly, look in the future. Corsair will concentrate on operational excellence to enhance the operation process and digitalization. Capacity growth strategy is used to increase at least 5 billion gloves capacity in the next 2 years, and strategy management to place the right talent at the right place. Beyond these strategies, Corsair is aimed to be the most respected global leader in latex manufacturing industry. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Lim Cheng Chai and my matrix number is 279X93. Today I want to present about the firm's current production and operations management situation. At first, the top glove production strength and weakness and its advantage and disadvantage. Top glove machine development in latex glove production technique result in a great quality and are safe for all consumers to use. The production process used by Top Glove use the most up-to-date manufacturing procedure and technology. It's helped Top Gloves increase their precision and productivity in latex glove manufacture. Furthermore, the production technique also increased the latex glove elasticity and process stabilities. From the previous SWOT analysis, it is to be known that the Top Glove has its strength in the production output. It has many factories located domestically and overseas. This has provided Top Glove the advantage of enjoying lower costs of production and reaching a wider international border. About the weakness, the Top Glove will have to invest a lot of money on equipment and hire more competent people to improve their production process. The machinery that was bought was quite expensive. As a result, equipment upkeep is expensive. And if any little or large accessories are broken, the firm will have to pay additional charge to repair them. While the weakness of Top Glove is also heavily relying on labor-intensive skills. Although this would provide many job opportunities, it will be less effective. In addition, Top Glove workforce are mainly built up with the foreign workers, which then face the issues such as health and permit. In this slide, I will present about the comparison between Top Glove and competitors. Top Glove has many factories located domestically and overseas. On the other hand, it is difficult for Top Glove to manage such a large operation on an international level. This is because every country has different rules and culture, which makes Top Glove have to invest much in the international level. Contradictory, its competitor Hartalega and Kosan both focusing the manufacturing plant in Malaysia to have a better control over all the productions. The Top Glove is heavily relying on labor-intensive skills. Although this will provide many job opportunities, it will be less effective. On the contrary, Hartalega and Kosan both have invested in the technology advancement. This could boost up the production effectiveness. For instance, with the innovative machinery, Hartalega could produce 44% of Top Glove capacity with only 2 production sites in Malaysia. The success of Top Glove company is in large part due to their effective and rapid latex glove manufacture. Rubber trees will generate a creamy latex liquid for the Top Glove product ingredients. For the most part, The rubber market supplies top glove latex needs, with the companies on plantation providing the remaining percentage. When the latex is sent to the top glove factory, the latex will be manufactured with a standardized method that is set by the company itself. The flow of the production process of latex glove in Top Glove Company is formal cleaning, coagulant dipping, drying, latex dipping, bleaching, beading, vulcanizing, post-bleaching, slurry dipping, stripping, tumbling, powder-free glove, quality control, and packing. Although its slogan is "Done well, well done," the labor practice of Top Glove have been under scrutiny. In March 2020, the United States Customs and Border Protection report that the glove produced by two companies of Top Glove were manufactured using forced labor, and related import products were prohibited from entering the United States. As a result of the operation, a total of 8.7 million pairs of rubber gloves worth 5 million ringgit were seized. Top Glove has been also charged by the Malaysian government of failing to provide adequate accommodation and utilities for its employees. It spent 90 million ringgit and plans to spend another 195 million ringgit to renovate its employees' living quarters.
Hi, my name is Nur Imiatul Husna, binti Rusmi with matric number 278628. We'll continue to present about the strategy analysis of Top Glove Company. Okay, strategy analysis is a process of gathering information about the business environment in which an organization operates as well as the organization itself in order to develop strategy. So competitiveness among firms is one of the reasons strategy analysis between firms is implemented. So there are three strategy analysis of Top Glove Company, which is corporate, differentiation, and diversification strategy. Okay, so for the first strategy analysis of Top Glove Company is corporate strategy. Corporate strategy is the variance in the deployment of an industry resource among the portfolio of business in which complete companies compete. So Top Glove corporate strategy may be operationalized based on asset delivery, employment, sales, capital budget, and other industry resource from current industry. So they're identifying a company resource and competences, and hence its primary capabilities is a critical step in developing a corporate strategy and achieving profitability. Okay, so next is the second strategy analysis is differentiation strategy. Definition of differentiation strategy is it allows a company to compete in the market with something other than lower price. This method may allow Top Glove to compete with the other contestants without having to compete with them. Top Glove brand could benefit from advertising. Top Glove should invest its money in advertising to educate and inform customer about its product. Customer will gradually recognize the brand and become loyal to it. Involvement in corporate social responsibility. In addition to advertising, they will aid Top Glove in building its brand in the local community. This differentiation strategy that has been used by the firm is suitable strategy by the firm. Then the other analysis strategy is diversification strategy. Diversification strategy refers to the development of new product and service that similar to the ones that you already sell. So Top Glove aim could be to diversify into conglomerates. Top Glove might branch out into industry that don't require as much technological investment, such as real estate. The strategy danger is the Malaysian economy's unpredictability. Top Glove could diversify into a business that is less reliant on labor supply and currency fluctuation as a result of its new business venture. With this method, Top Glove profit could be maintained even if energy prices rose. So thus, these diversification strategy are the most applicable strategy that have been used by the firm.
Hello, it's me again. This part I will presenting about recommendation. Firstly, recommendation for Top Glove. Among the suggestions for improving Top Glove business, we recommend that they launch a new sales channel. For example, using the latest technology such as online purchases or providing a website to make it easier for customers to make a purchase and at the same time get more info about the product. In this way, it's very convenient for customers, especially for home use cover. Next, Top Glove also can collaborate with other sites. This not only help to improve the company growth, it also make the company website generate additional profit if Top Glove collaborates with the other online machines by way of mutually selling product to each other on their respective websites. For example, if selling home furniture, they can work with a dealer who sells home interior decoration products. Next, we move to recommendation for a new seller. Firstly, diversity of product option. We can see Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wichai started the company with only production lines to domestic market only. After several years, the company has grown rapidly. Next, grow your business into fragrance market. Expanding a business into fragrance market can help to generate additional profit with a just small investment. If previously you took order only from all over Malaysia, start your move to sell your product internationally. You can target specific countries by creating sales product that suit taste to the local community. That's all from our group. Thank you.